Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we are in the community of Consenza and we are going to be previewing floor plan Eleanor, and this has a NextGen suite. If you're not too familiar with NextGen suite, it is pretty much like having two homes in one. I cannot wait to show you. Let's get started. How's it going, guys? My name is Romero Fregoso. I am a Las Vegas realtor. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. What I do in my channel is I tour all the newest communities here throughout the Las Vegas area to show you what builders are offering so you can decide if the home and community is a right fit for you. Let's be honest, guys, buying a new construction home, there is a lot to consider. You have pricing, incentives, and also what is included with my home purchase. That's where I step in. I guide you through the process and help you find the right home for you. If this is something you're interested, subscribe to my channel. Also, tap that bell for notifications. That way you don't miss my next tour. For today's property tour, we are in the community of Consenza, and this community is located in the southwest of Las Vegas. Let me give you a quick update of where we're actually located. So we're not too far located off of Rainbow and Blue Diamond here in the southwest area. So you're gonna be about 20 minutes from the strip, about 15 minutes from the airport, 20 minutes or so from downtown Las Vegas, and about 20 minutes from downtown Summerlin. Here in this community, they're not gonna be building a lot of homes, guys. They're actually gonna be building a total of 27 homes. They're all gonna be single-story homes. Also non-gated community. So HOA here is going to be $140 monthly. For price range, they're going to range from $893,990 up to $1,149,990. And they're all going to consist of 3 to up to 4 bedrooms, and they're going to range from 2,485 square feet to up to 3,776 square feet. And also, guys, just a quick heads up, I know the price I just mentioned is just the base price. When you do buy a home, a new construction home, you have to consider base price, your lot premiums, and also your upgrades. So here you can have two options to purchase a home. You can either buy a spec home. Usually that's what Lennar does. They usually are a spec builder, but you also do have the option to go from the ground up. If you do go that route, then you also have to consider. So when I mentioned that base price, guys, you have to consider that does not include your options or your lot premiums. So here, typically Lennar is a spec builder. For the most part, everything you see is what you get, but you also do have the option of building from the ground up, meaning you get to pick your options. Here, there's not too many options you can pick from. It's only gonna be the flooring, your cabinets, countertops, backsplash. Everything else is gonna come standard with your home purchase. But to be honest, guys, buying a spec home, that is really where you're gonna get the best deal. Let me quickly go over the floor plans that are available here in this community. You'll see them on your screen. So we have the 3 different floor plans. So we have Plan Evan, and that is with an RV garage, and that's a 3-bedroom, 2,484 square feet. Base price is $893,990. Then we have floor plan Eleanor, and that is a 4-bedroom. It is 3,565 square feet. Base price for that one is $1,129,990. Then we have floor plan William, and that's a 4-bedroom. It is 3,776 square feet, and starting price at $1,149,990. That being said, guys, let's get started and check out this home to see if it's a right fit for you. All right, guys, welcome to Consenza, and we are checking out Eleanor. and this is a Next Gen home. So let me quickly give you the details on this one. So this one is a 4-bedroom with the Next Gen, 3.5 bathrooms. This 3,565 square feet with a 4-bay garage, and it is priced at $1,129,990. Really quick, guys, they do have a quick move-in ready for this floor plan, and that one is priced at $1,158,775. Quickly, let me show you here the exterior. Absolutely loving that 4-bay car garage. Like this. Really quick, let me show you here the neighborhood. A lot of construction going on. Such a beautiful day here in Las Vegas as well. And really quick, guys, before I actually take you inside to the front, let me just show you. I'm not gonna go in, but this way, if you wanted to go into your Next Gen, this would be the main entrance to come in. So come here to the side, and this would be your main entrance to the Next Gen, and also you'd have access to the garage. Actually, really quick, guys, I'm doing it a little different today, but just realized I have access to the backyard from here, so might as well show you. Why not, right? Because as far as I can get from the interior is going to be to that slider. So let me quickly show you your backyard. Really good sized lots here. As you can see, I'm gonna point them over here. You see those houses that they're building? Good sized lots. Plenty of space for a pool, barbecue area, play area. Absolutely do love how it has covered patio as well. All right, now let's go to the other side and go inside. Just wanted to quickly show you for my people that absolutely love backyards. I'm a backyard person. I like to have a nice sized backyard for myself. You know, there's people out there that absolutely want a good sized backyard. This is definitely a community for that, for sure. At least for this floor plan, because the Plant Evan does take a bigger, it seems like it does take a bigger space of real estate in the lot. And you'll see, I do have an upcoming video of that one if you want to check it out as well, coming up soon. Check it out. Then, so right here you have this nice covered porch area, perfect here in the entryway. Step inside. Now, as soon as we step inside, straight ahead is the living room. Nice and wide hallway. And then here off to the right, you do have 2 bedrooms. So that's, we just came in right here. Let me show you these bedrooms right here. So this is gonna be the first bedroom. This one's actually a really good size, because if you notice it has 2 beds in here. They might be twins, maybe. But I mean, look at the space you still have in between. Then you are gonna have a Jack and Jill bathroom. I'll show you that in just a second, but before, let me show you the closet. And then here's the Jack and Jill bathroom. I do like how it has the own, you close this door right here, taking a shower, taking care of business. And whoever's staying here wants to use the bathroom, brush your teeth, wash your face, you'll still have access to that. And then here's the other bedroom. Closet. Also looks like you have 10-foot ceilings as well. Now let's go over here. Before we go over here, let me show you here off to the left. You're gonna have your laundry room. At the sink, washer and dryer is not included, guys, with your home purchase. As you notice, does say optional, but if you do have a great agent on your side, you could possibly negotiate that for you. Then here you have your smart panel box, all your cable, your internet, and the good stuff goes that we need nowadays to survive, right? Here's your powder room. Can lighting above. Now, let me show you this door right here. Coat closet. Then check this out, guys. This is actually my favorite part of the house. Look at this. Got your living room, dining, then your kitchen, guys. Look at this beautiful kitchen, guys. You got the quartz that water falls over. You got the light brown modern cabinets. Nice size, oversized stainless steel hood. Got that commercial grade stove. Stainless steel undermount sink. Osmosis. Dishwasher. Your refrigerator. So almost before I forget, guys, Lennar is typically more of a spec builder. So pretty much everything you see is what you get, but not exactly. So they do various different finishes on their home. But pretty much once they're already building out, there's really no changes you can do with it. But they are gonna be speccing it pretty similar to this model home. Also, if you, depending on what stage you are on the home, you are also able to build from the ground up and have some more options that you could pick for yourself. Let me show you over here, guys. Show you your pantry. I mean, look at this pantry. This thing is massive. Then that door right there is gonna be your entrance to your 4-car garage, but it's locked. We're not gonna check that out today. So now let's go over here. Let me show you, your dining area right here, good size dining. That has 2, 4, 6, 8 people. And then your living room, good size living room. And then your slider to your backyard, which I did show you in the beginning. Because if it wasn't for that, this is all I would be able to show you. Still not too bad, right? Okay, so now before we check out the primary, let me just show you the Next Gen. So if you're not familiar with a Next Gen is, it's pretty much like having another home in your home. Because this home right here, this door right here, I mean, you could do whatever you want with it. It's your house, right? But to give you one example, if you wish to put a deadbolt lock and whoever's staying in that space, not give them access to the rest of the house, you may choose to. Don't worry, guys, you're gonna get a full panel. You're not gonna get that glass door. They just do this for modeling purpose so you can see within. But so here pretty much is a quick breakdown. So you have 2 private entries, 2 living rooms, 2 kitchens, 2 private suites, 2 laundry areas in one home. And you're gonna see why. So as soon as you come in over here, I mean, this is perfect for, if you have your parents, some guests, whatever, they have the option to stay here if they choose to. Beautiful, because you're gonna have your own dining area right here, then your own kitchenette. Just doesn't have a stove, but then you have also some space right here. Look at per your TV. Man, this is really nice. I mean, in a Next Gen, I don't think I've seen it yet. I think this is the first island I actually see in the Next Gen, so pretty awesome. Good job, Lennar. Got your microwave right there. Sink, look at this, guys. I mean, complete separate living space. A lot of people like these spaces to even rent them out. Look at this. Let me show you, so in the beginning, I know I did show you guys where you could come inside your house through this, your own private entrance. And this is it, guys. So you wouldn't have to even go to the primary home, just come in and out through here. So Let's go and check out the bedroom for this Next Gen. Hello. So see, you have your own bedroom. Look at the size of this bedroom, guys. They are not messing around. I mean, it does have the nice price tag, so they better go big, right? But look at this, guys. And then you also do have your own access to go in and out of your backyard. I could have probably came out through here, right? Oh no, see, can't open it. But yeah, I mean, this is really nice. Gets better, guys. You also have your walk-in closet. Let me show you here out to the left, with a hookup for your washer and dryer. Isn't that just, I mean, we're not done. You also have your own full bathroom here with this this Next Gen. Look at this. Really nice tile flooring. And over here is your stand-up shower. And what do you guys think of this Next Gen, guys? Let me know in the comments below, guys. You know, if this is something you would like in your home. Definitely not for everyone, but look at this space, guys. I mean, it's like a whole nother house. Now let's go check out the primary bedroom. Here's your primary bedroom. Look at this. Really good size, king size bed. I mean, they even put a couch in front of your bed just to show you like this room is pretty big. Let me show you from here. Yeah, really good size. And then you also have access to go in and out of your backyard through here as well. Also, if you guys are enjoying this video, guys, do me a huge favor, like, subscribe, and also tap that bell for notifications. Also, really quick, guys, want to make sure I mention this. If you guys are interested in the new construction homes, it is super critical that I come with you or your trusted realtor come with you on the first visit, guys. Because if we're not there, the builder may block us from helping you later. Their agents work for them. I work for you. I'm confident that I can negotiate the best deal, protect your interest, and help you avoid any costly mistakes, guys. So I will have my contact info below, guys. Give me a call, shoot me a text. Now let's check out the primary bathroom. Look at this. So your own standalone tub. Then you have your shower over here on this side. And right here you do have your toilet, but man, look at this bathroom. What do you guys think? So you have one vanity over there, and then one here. There's your stand up. And then you even have a makeup station. And then your walk-in closet. Really big walk-in. Even goes around over here on this side a bit. Look at this. Man. Well, hey guys, let me know what you guys think of this floor pump Eleanor. Is it something that might fit what you're looking for? If you would like to come schedule a private showing, check out this home, maybe another home here in this community, or a whole nother community, or even looking to check out some existing homes, or even looking to sell your personal home. We definitely love the opportunity to earn your business and be with you every step of the way, whether you're buying or selling. We'll have my contact info below, guys. Give me a call, shoot me a text. Like always, guys, if you guys enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. Till next time, guys.